According to the World Health Organization, over 2.6 billion kilograms of avocados are consumed worldwide each year. So, have you ever wondered what happens if you eat avocados daily? Hello everyone, welcome to the Wellness Watchers. Before we continue, we want to emphasize the importance of consulting your healthcare professionals before making major health changes. Don't forget to support our effort by clicking the thumbs up button. Avocados have skyrocketed in popularity, appearing everywhere from breakfast toast to superfood smoothies. Today, we will dig into this nutrient-packed fruit and uncover how avocados can benefit your health. Now, let's explore the facts about avocados. 1. Rich in nutrients. Avocados provide essential vitamins like vitamin C, E, K, and various B vitamins, and minerals such as potassium and magnesium. According to a study in the Journal of the American Medical Association, these micronutrients play an important role in overall health. 2. Supports heart health. The monounsaturated fatty acids found in avocados have been linked to improved cardiovascular well-being. A New England Journal of Medicine review suggests that diets rich in good fats can help maintain healthy cholesterol levels. 3. Aids in weight management. Avocados, due to their fiber and healthy fat content, can help you feel fuller longer. Research from the National Library of Medicine shows that eating healthy fats may help control appetite and support weight management. 4. Promotes digestive health. According to a study from the University of California, Davis, the soluble and insoluble fibers in avocados can aid digestion and support a healthy gut microbiome. 5. Boosts skin and hair health. Packed with antioxidants like vitamin C and E, avocados may help maintain glowing skin and promote stronger hair. A study from the British Medical Journal in 2018 found that antioxidant-rich foods support healthy skin aging. 6. Anti-inflammatory properties. The monounsaturated fats and various phytonutrients in avocados are believed to reduce inflammation in the body. The Mayo Clinic notes that inflammation plays a role in many chronic diseases. 7. Supports eye health. Avocados contain lutein and zeaxanthin, two antioxidants associated with eye health. The Cleveland Clinic confirms that adequate intake of lutein and zeaxanthin may help protect against age-related vision problems. 8. Improves brain function. A study at the University of Cambridge in the UK found that healthy fats and vitamins in avocados could support cognitive performance, possibly aiding memory and focus. 9. Supports bone health. Avocados offer vitamin K and magnesium, both essential for strong bones. The McGovern Medical School in Houston notes that vitamin K helps regulate the absorption of calcium in the bone. 10. May reduce cancer risk. Research from the National Cancer Institute suggests that the compounds in avocados could help inhibit the growth of certain cancer cells. The MD Anderson Cancer Center in Houston is currently exploring avocado extracts for potential anti-cancer properties. 11. Helps regulate blood sugar. According to the American Diabetes Association, the healthy fats in avocados can slow the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, potentially helping maintain stable blood sugar levels. 12. Enhances nutrient absorption. A study by the United States Department of Agriculture, USDA, indicates that eating avocados with other foods can boost your body's ability to absorb fat-soluble nutrients like vitamins A, D, E, and K. 13. May improve immune function. The various nutrients in avocados, including vitamin E and carotenoids, may support immune health. The University of Maryland School of Medicine suggests that these nutrients can bolster the body's defense against infections. 14. Supports healthy pregnancy. Avocados are rich in folate, which may help prevent fetal developmental problems. Research published by the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, emphasizes the importance of adequate folate for expectant mothers. 15. Benefits for mental health. Avocados' B vitamins and magnesium may help regulate neurotransmitters linked to mood. The World Health Organization also highlights the impact of nutrient deficiencies on mental well-being. 16th, may aid in detoxification. Avocados contain glutathione, which aids the liver in filtering harmful substances. The Harvard T.H. Chan School of Public Health points to antioxidants like glutathione as critical components of the body's detox systems. Lowering cholesterol. Consumption of avocados daily has been associated with lower LDL, bad cholesterol levels. A 2021 study published in the Journal of the American Heart Association found that participants who ate one avocado daily for 5 weeks saw a significant drop in LDL cholesterol. This effect is primarily attributed to avocados' high levels of monounsaturated fats, which help to reduce bad cholesterol. Here are precautions about avocados. 1. Allergies or sensitivities. These are rare but possible. Always pay attention to how your body reacts. 2. Portion control. Avocados are calorie-dense. Moderation is key if you're watching calorie intake. 3. Medication interactions. If you're on a specialized diet or taking medication, consult your healthcare provider to avoid unforeseen complications. Finally, eating avocados daily benefits your heart, skin, bones, and brain, and lowers your LDL cholesterol levels. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into the world of avocados. Have you experienced the benefits of eating avocados? Share your story in the comments below. And don't forget to check out our other videos on this channel. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with family and friends, and subscribe to our channel for more science-based content. Until next time, stay well.